Hey everyone, this is my 1 gallon Marina cubus. It's a little glare, don't mind that. Basically, if you couldn't tell from before, just rearrange it a little. Take out some of the substrate to make more room. Got 5 sakura shrimp. Here's one right there, looks like it's a female. There's another in the back. 2 in the back. And there's actually 2 amano shrimp somewhere in there too. What you see here is some Christmas tree moss tied to the driftwood, some leftover rotala and Java moss as well. Java fern in the back. No filter. Instead I add some prime every once in a while and microbe lift, which acts as the cycling agent. And as for water changes, I actually do none. I just top off, that's it. Had a beta, moved it to the 3.5 gallon tank. And that's it for my 1 gallon.